Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Burberry model B-3107 in color code 1003/71. It's a gunmetal color frame. The style of this frame is square, and this frame is RXable. On the temples here, we have a Burberry writing in silver and a green temple tip color. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. The other side of the temple is the same. The lenses are a green color and they are 100% UV protected. This frame also comes with a Burberry gift box. And inside the gift box, we have a Burberry case in black color. And you also get a Burberry microfiber cleaning cloth and a Burberry booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.